Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your Neupril subscription. Okay, so as you know, Neupril is a dietary supplement for brain support, for health related problems, for balancing your diet, for balancing your, you can say, like child health, or so you can see this is the supplement. Okay, so basically how you can cancel this supplement of this subscription of this supplement. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website. The official website is neupril.com. This is the official website. Once you are on the official website, when you scroll down at the very bottom side, you will see there is a option like refund and refund policy page. Okay, at the very bottom side there is a refund policy page. You need to tap this button, and once you are on this screen, you need to scroll down. At the very bottom side there is a option subscription, so you need to click on this link. Here is a link, please log in into your account. You need to tap on this button here option. Okay, so now it will pop up this kind of a screen. You need to enter your email ID, and once you enter your email ID, when you click on get login code, they will send you a code. You need to enter your code, and once you are on the dashboard, you can cancel, you can manage your subscription very easily. Okay, so if we talk about, like, if this method will not work for you, you need to cancel your credit card. Why I am saying this thing? Because in today's time there are hundreds of brand available. They are making these kind of problems. So the only last option to cancel your subscription is cancel of your card. Okay, you need to cancel your card, and once your card is ended, your subscription will automatically ended. Okay, so this is the last option to cancel your subscription. Please cancel your credit card. Okay, and you need to get a new one. When you get a new card, your old subscription will end it. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel Neupril subscription. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.